Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can resolve a problem of account suspended or account restricted and stuff like that after you withdraw and then you're waiting for the money to come to your wallet and it doesn't come and it shows cancelled. What you're supposed to do, probably you've landed on an email from Quotex.org telling you that there's a message the other side, all right? Or you've not seen that email, but rather you keep checking on your platform, your trading platform, so you could get any notifications as the fact that you're anticipating for your money to reach and it has not reached. Definitely you're looking out like for when, how, well. You remember we said in the other video that it can take to 48 hours, all right? 48 hours, or it can be less than that, guys. So me, I received this message less than 48 hours when I was trying to withdraw, and then the money, I didn't see the money. When I went to check, cancelled. I'm like, okay, why, how? Then I checked the email, then I come here, then there's, if you've not seen the email, there's that icon in the trading platform down here on the extreme left hand side. I'm using mobile, okay? If you're using mobile, then I think that's where the location could be. Yeah, so you want to click on that icon, then it will take you directly to where you can see the messages waiting for your answer. Your account restriction has been lifted, best regards, Quotex, and stuff like that. That is when I had done everything. Okay, so for you, if it's your very first time you received that message, the only thing that will be showing is that very first message of, your account is suspended, you need to fix this. They'll even give you the steps to follow and the things that you should do. Okay, so your account is, I'm just going to show you right away. Okay, so you see that first request, I'm going to show you what that message is. Your account, down below here, hello, support, from support team. Your account is temporarily suspended until further clarification. In order to perform the necessary, stuff like that, verification steps, you'll need to provide, a high resolution photo of yourself or your selfie on which you are holding your document for identification. Your passport or national ID will do, along with a sheet of paper with the name Quotex written on it by hand, current date, and your signature. Your face, body, and both arms must be visible. The details of the document should be clearly, so it should be clear and readable, right? You need to upload it to these tickets. Okay, best regards, Quotex. Then they show you where that blue image upload something is, and then you have to click on there to upload this document. Okay, so you can click there and you'll see that there's a reply to request your message and then stuff like that. Okay, now here the most important thing is about the photo, and that selfie, the photo self, that photo of yourself, the selfie. All right, in fact, hey, you guys, I was here busy suffering. I didn't know they actually upload a demo of the photo you're supposed to do. So I found out this after forging out everything. Then I was like, but how couldn't they show how the picture is supposed to look, how the selfie on? Yeah, guys, Quotex support team is like everything you need. Okay, so this is like the photo outline of you. It should be on an A4 paper, like rectangle, like that, so that you could fit on the, what am I saying? You put your phone horizontally so that it can take the photo of you, the head, the whole face, the arms. Okay, now for me, this is how I uploaded mine. I had no idea, but had I known, I would have done the paper size, like to A4, and horizontal. I would have put it horizontally. And as you can see, I was like, oh God, I just wish they accept this. But clearly, yeah, like for as long as the date is shown, your signature is shown, your ID is shown, and your face is shown, like clearly, that is like to know, is this you? Like, is this the real you that you claim you are? Okay, so I really don't know if everyone receives this. Let me know in the comment section down below if on your first withdrawal you received such a cancelled message or suspended something. I really don't know. I didn't have like 2 accounts or nothing. Nope. But maybe you never know. Because I had 1 account and I deleted it. I did another one. But I verified only 1 account. So the other one is not in function. So yeah. And I'm just showing you here, like at that point of withdrawal and something, you will have to, after withdrawing, they'll show that it's pending, okay? And then after that, they'll definitely show that it's cancelled and everything, account restricted or account temporarily suspended. So you will always check this in your email, or usually, definitely, if there's anything about your account, they'll send for you in the email. But guys, for me, I didn't see my email. I saw it after. I was like, cancelled. Why is my order? Why is my request for withdrawal? It's cancelled. So guys, you need to be very careful, and please let me know if you have any questions. Please leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be very glad to answer if I can. See you in the next one. Bye.